Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sage Stage. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to play I Will Follow You Into the Dark by Death Cab for Cutie. So I really love this song. I think the chords aren't too hard. The biggest challenge for me in this song is actually like my vocal range because the chords that I have here, like when I sing with them, like this song is too high for my voice and too low for my voice at the same time. And I could fix that by like transposing the chords, but that's a lot of work. So also I'm going to be looking at the screen here because this is where my tabs are. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Alright, so first we start with D minor. So I'm going to be calling these the bottom string. I'm going to be referring to as the first string, and then second string, third string, fourth string. The fourth string is the top string, that's what I'm saying. So, second string, first fret, which means just before this bar here, second string, first fret, and I'm going to be showing a more in-depth look, is where your first finger goes. Third string, second fret, is where your second finger goes. Fourth string, second fret is where your third finger goes. So you can either play it like this, or you can take your second finger and kind of splay it over those two at the top. So like, this is where the first finger goes, second, third, you kind of just like, plop. So, that's D minor. I should also mention that before you start playing on any stringed instrument, tune it first. I didn't do that. And we're living on the edge today, so I'm not going to do that. Because it kind of sounds in tune, but it's a little off, but whatever. So, the next chord you need to know is F. So, we're going to be putting our first finger on the second string, first fret here. Second finger on the fourth string, second stret. I keep saying stret, what the heck? Fret, okay. That's F. And give that a strum. So we learned D minor. And now we're doing F. Okay, now B flat is the next one here. So, we're going to take our first finger, and we're going to put it over the first fret on the first string, and the first fret on the second string. So, like that, just like we did for D minor, just smash it over those two. And then, for the last two fingers, second finger is going to go on the third string, second fret. So, it's going to go right here. And then, for the third finger, it's going to go right above that to the right. So the third finger is on the fourth string, third fret. That's what your B flat should sound like. So let's go over that again. We got D minor, F, B flat, and F again is the next one. And now let's do A minor. So this one's super easy. I usually take my second finger for this one just because you're going to be switching in between F and this one. So this is A minor. So you're going to take your second finger and put it on the fourth string, second fret. Just like that. So, let's review again. Practice, practice, practice. D minor, F, B flat. That sounds a little bit off. F, A minor. Okay. Now, we've almost learned all of the chords you need for this song. The last ones are pretty easy. So B flat minor is the next one we're going to be learning. And basically, you're going to put your finger and smash it over like all of the strings. You only need to do the first 3, like 1, 2, and 3 like that. But it doesn't matter if you do the 4th as well, because you're using your second finger to go over to the 4th string, the 3rd stret. I keep saying stret. 3rd fret. So the first finger is like a bar on this whole first row of frets, and then the second finger is going on the 3rd fret right there. So this one's a bit harder. I can't even do this one like that all that fast. Okay, you know what? It's actually easier to put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. I was wondering, I was like, usually you can do this better. So try to get a clear sound out of it. You don't really want to muffle the strings too much. You'll know that you're not pressing down hard enough if it sounds muffled. So press down as hard as you can. This might take a bit of like finger training, like strength training, but you'll eventually get this with practice. So that's how that should sound like. And let's learn A next, which is very close to A minor. Remember, this is A minor. Second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and A is just that with your 1st finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, like that. So that's how your A should sound like. This is A minor, this is A. Okay, and now the last one, hopefully you know this one. This is like the one that almost everyone knows. Like, this is the most common one. C. It's just your 3rd finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. This is when you hear like in all of the happy ukulele songs. So let's go over the chords again, and then let's start putting it together. So D minor, F, B flat, A minor, B flat minor, A, and C. Okay. So the tabs, I got these tabs from Ukulele Tabs. It's an app, and it looks like it's blue and it has some flowers on it, like the app icon. And that's where like I get basically all of my ukulele tabs, and I strongly recommend. There's some tabs that don't sound exactly right on on this app, but a lot of them sound fine. So okay, so strumming, it's a bit up to interpretation. That's how I feel about strumming. I could never do it like the way people wanted me to do it. Like if I watched other YouTube videos that are like, strum this way, I can never do it the way people want me to. So I feel like it's up to you and how you feel out the song. And you can try to copy me, or you can try to copy how it more sounds in the song. So, oh, and sorry, I keep just plugging strings. The last chord I wanted to teach you, I don't actually know what this one is called. But basically, oh wait, hold on. I think it's marked as C7, but basically, it's instead of C, you bring your 1st finger onto the 1st string, 1st fret. So I like to use that as like a transitional chord. Love of mine, someday you will die. I'll be close behind. Follow you into the dark. No blinding light. Tunnels to gates of white. Our hands clasped so tight, waiting I definitely do like a more simple version of strumming because I'm still not great at it. And like I said, this is kind of a vocal challenge for me. So, because if I sing it, okay, I'm sorry. If I sing it in a higher range, then I have to do the chorus in a really high range, and it's like, especially if I haven't warmed up, it sounds horrible, the chorus. So I usually kind of drop down for the chorus, but I'm going to sing it in my higher pitch here. Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind, follow you into the dark, no blinding lights, tunnels to gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. So that's basically every that chorus, every main, that's basically how it goes throughout the whole song. And then let's do the chorus though, okay? So, and you can see that my strumming is like, I kind of just go along with each word. It's not the best, but you can modify it to fit however you want to do it. So, if heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. There's a C7. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. So once I know the chords for a song, I like to practice along with the recording of it. And it might be too fast at first, and then you can just try to sing along by yourself and do it. And you might even like it at a slower tempo. I usually do all of my songs at a slower tempo. But I think that's what really helps you to master the song, if you can practice along with it and play the chords along with it. So for this last part, I'm just gonna play through the whole song and try to play along. Practice with me. we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of rooms. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the notes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. Then I'll follow you into the dark. So let me know how you did, and let me know how I did. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.